Yesterday, my uncle is telling, he met me, Durga. I told in my house, okay, if something, any issue I'm facing, if I'm not in a position to talk, if I'm not in a position, okay, to talk, if I'm not in consciousness, the first person you require to meet is Durga only. He told proudly to his wife and to his son and to his daughter. Okay, the first person you require to intimate is to Durga. Durga is going to take care. Okay, remember that. Like I told to my family members, like then obviously he's always with me or not. If he got such type of barosa, he's always with me or not.
Sir, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I asked my admin. I heard multiple times from my admin. Nazir sir is there. He uses, sir, how are you? How the things going on? Like general. If I'm using the word, he is always common word is, sir, you are there. Then why we have to worry? మీరు ఉండగా నేను ఎందుకు వరి అవ్వాలి సార్? You are there. About his family issues also. You are there, sir. Why I have to worry? నాకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది, you are there with me. Then why I have to worry about my family? Like, so my hand will be there everywhere. That's why these people are staying with me forever, man. Care, love. Their problem is our problem. It doesn't mean we should not stand on the road. Okay, to whatever the level, yes, we will go there, we will spend, we will help them to solve, either financially, like such type of support we require, that much care we require to take care. I took health insurance. I took for my total family health insurance. Not only that, I asked them compulsory you require to take, I will pay. They took health insurance. Okay, for the first year I'm going to pay whatever the premium is there. I will pay 30,000, 40,000. I will pay. Next time you can renew. Next, for my accountant, my cousin only, Bazi, I paid. Array, you have 3 kids, sir. Your salary is very small. If some health issue is coming, then it may be the bigger problem, man. It may be the bigger problem. Compulsory required to take like. So for the total family, for 5 members, Baji took. For 4 members, 5 members, Nazir sir took. The care we required, how much care you are going to take. Automatically, the things are going to work in reverse with multiplication, believe me. Don't think always I. I is the most dangerous word. Okay, getting right?